What's up, guys? Nate's Fishing TV here, fishing in a small creek today. So I've seen some fish. I've been going upstream, downstream, couldn't find them. Well, I found this pool downstream. That looks pretty good. So let's cast, see if we can't catch anything. And if you can hear that, that is thunder. I've seen them fish. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Where'd they all go? I know I've seen them. There we go. Awesome. Small brim. I seen him moving around. Ow, good night. See, this creek is a good flow, but it's way down, so I'm trying to find some pools that the fish will be in to greater my chances of actually catching a fish. So there we go. Right now I'm using worms. I've had these things in my refrigerator for about, I would say, a couple weeks, and you can see that they're dead. But that doesn't deter the fish at all. What is going on, guys? Nate here with Nate's Fishing TV. We're gonna be fishing over at Pitts Park. I know a lot of y'all know, all my subscribers probably know this place. So I haven't fished this place at all so let's see if we can't catch any fish. There we go, okay. I didn't have my camera on because it took me a while to catch one, but I think I know what they're doing now. Caught me a little bit of creek chub. These are so fun to catch in small creeks. I'm trying to find some trout, but there's a creek chub, so release him. This water's really murky, which makes it a little bit harder to catch some fish. Oh, I got one. All right, there we go. There we go. Just dropped it down there. Come here. Not a small, not a big creek chub, but it's a nice one. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What is going on, everybody? Nate's Fishing TV here. Welcome to another episode. I hope y'all enjoyed the creek portion. But I didn't catch that many, so I wanted to fill in all those fish that I didn't catch with bass. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this fishing adventure. Today I'm going to be using night crawlers with this rod with a float on it, drifted behind me, and then on my Abu Garcia I have a black and blue spinnerbait. It's my favorite, so let's see if we can't catch any. Always make sure you put trailer hooks on your spinnerbaits. This is a Wahoo, I think, spinnerbait. I think that's what it's called. I'll look at it at the end of the video. Actually, not first time using one of these spinnerbaits, but first time using the brand. So, all right, we got us one on that worm. I think it's a brim. Oh, that's a nice size brim right there. Had about 2 foot down. You swallowed it right there. I am sweating it up out here. It's about 90 degrees humidity. Oh my gosh, it feels. There we go. Good. All right, there we go. A nice size brim on that worm right here. We're wanting to catch some bass on it. There we go. We got us another one. As soon as I threw it back out there, I think it's another brim. No, that's pulling harder. Yeah, that's bass. Bam. Awesome. And I threw that right there where I threw with my spinnerbait right over there, and I didn't catch them, so they want live bait. So awesome. Let's see if we can't catch us any more bigger than that. There we go. As soon as I turned off the camera, I got us another one. Nice bass, I say that. Yeah. Come here, buddy. Come on. Bam. Right there. Right there. Awesome. Let's catch us some more. Oh, I got one. I had one on this thing the whole time. It was stripping out line off my bait caster. Huh. That's a big one out there. Awesome. Didn't realize you were on there, buddy. Here we go. Awesome. Let's release him. Oh, there we go. I think I still have them on. Yes. Still trolling that bait. It's a nice one. Ooh. Ooh. It's a nice one. On the little rod. Okay. There we go. What is going on, guys? Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. So go and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next fishing adventure.